guys, today we are at Uni Expert Global Education Fair and let's see what happened actually inside. There are lots of students inside.
As you see, CQ universities are there. If you are looking for Australia CQ, so you can join Uni Expert and connect with us immediately.
Yeah.
Hi sir,
Hi,
your name?
Jamil Ahmed, ma'am.
So you have come here
For my son, Ibrahim
Okay.
Ahmed, yeah.
okay, and what he was exactly looking for?
He's looking for the bachelor's degree.
Okay, so do you get the clarity about his future
Yeah, everything I got it from this counselor.
and which university your son is looking for?
CQ University, Brisbane, Australia.
Oh.
So let's see if you get the admission, his studies, and let's see how the things will work out. At the place, you cannot say anything.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank
sir.
you very much for that.
So we have some good questions like what kind of students you met today?
So when I talk about Hyderabad market, I met today with the IT students maximum, which follow to pharmaceutical courses. So I've seen a reasonable growth for the IT student, and the quality of applications are good. I've met with the students who are already ready with their English language test score. So it shows that they are serious towards their academics and everything. But yeah, we always have to look the other part also when it comes to the profile and everything, financials, which I'm sure Uni Expert will guide and look into it.
What students are usually confused about before meeting you?
So now you all know very well that students, Hyderabad always been a demand of other country because it's a place where the student gets lot of opportunity with industrial practical experience, where university is helping to get a hand-on and experience for their career opportunities, which help them for your future guidance and everything.
What your university providing the students?
So when you talk about my university, we are one of the top 8 universities in Australia. We rank 36 in the world ranking, and the accreditations what our universities have, which is helping with the industrial partners to grow. We have given you a network where the students are getting a hand-on experience. So this is what maximum what we are giving to our student and helping them to grow for their future.
Thanks, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. It was pleasure meeting you.
So, how was the event?
I actually really liked the event, and it's actually good to see all the different universities. A lot of the universities I have talked to are actually very informative, and specifically Deakin and Latrobe, I actually really like them. And also the people here, they are really friendly and they are open to answer any question.
स्कॉलरशिप का पूछा है, फी का पूछा है, अकोमोडेशन, हाँ, और what all documents they need. One extra information I got to know that he has to submit.
So you are very cleared about the future,
yes, very
right?
clear. Few documents which we don't know to submit. Now we got to know that we have to submit even that.
Okay.
So it's really
And
informative. and
how's
it's
the
very-
counseling session?
Yes, my counselor is very fantastic. She's very approachable and cooperative.
Okay.
Always
so much,
available.
ma'am. Thank you so much. And please suggest other as well.
Yes, sure. We do suggest.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Thanks for joining.